Hey there guys, this is Silent Mist and welcome back to Dungecraft. Welcome back. We're gonna be doing some stuff today. Some more complicated stuff. Ooh, there is crap on my mouse pad and it is making it hard for me to move my mouse. But that seems to be fixed. But what are we gonna do today? Well, we're gonna start installing the security systems. So let's see what we can do. So I'm gonna need some redstone, and I think I have everything else that I'm gonna need. This is gonna be rather interesting, to say the very least. So we need a crafting table. Let's make ourselves some glass panels. 16, I think that'll be more than enough. Then we just do this. And finally that. And oh look, what is that, a computer? Maybe it is. Maybe it is. Oh, we are out of... whatever, that is enough. That is more than enough. We're going to be coding today in Minecraft. Isn't this going to be cool? So, we're going to need a few things. First of all, we're going to need some sort of door right here. So we're going to need some blocks. Oh. Think that, yeah, broke the door there. We're going to need some modern looking blocks. So I think we're going to go with some tin and iron. Well, iron doors and tin blocks, or maybe aluminum. Let's look at aluminum, because aluminum really doesn't have much of... yeah, we'll use aluminum, because aluminum doesn't have much of a point, and we have lots of it. So I think our super realistic, or super modern block will be aluminum, because aluminum is a pretty cool thing. So we'll just do this, and then we can just take this stuff out, and put this stuff in. Right? That's how this works, right, guys? Oh man, we have too much crap. Give me... that only made 56 blocks. That is not exactly a whole lot, but let's dump some of this stuff in here. Let's see. These are all important other stuffs. But yeah, you guys ready for some coding on camera? You see, unfortunately, I don't know Lua, and this is written in Lua, so I have to use some examples, but that's okay. So we're gonna have this right here. Oh, nope, not that. Get rid of that. We're going to have the computer terminal right here. And then we're going to need ourselves a door right there. So let's just get ourselves a door. Now, this episode's going to have a lot of typing in it, so I do recommend that if this stuff sort of bores you, well, this is not going to really be the episode for you, because we're going to be programming today, and programming isn't exactly the most entertaining thing to watch on camera. So let's do this, and looky there, this area, now no one can get to it. Well, let's change that. So, let's see, edit, startup. So, time to do programming. Oh, I really need my keyboard in a comfortable place if I'm gonna be typing. So, local side equals left. Now, I could, yeah, I'll give you a little tutorial to what we're doing. So, local side equals left. This means that the side that we're going to be working on is to the left of the computer block. So we have the door to the left of this block. And local password equals, well, I guess for testing purposes, we will use potato. It's a little bit laggy typing in, so I'll probably be making plenty of mistakes. That is setting the password to potato. Local open time equals 10. And that is the amount of time that this door will stay open after we've entered the password, probably in seconds. Yes, in seconds. And so now we're going to need to do a while loop. While true do. Term.clear parentheses. What does that do? That clears the screen. Oh, that makes the screen nice and clear. Isn't that cool? Now, oh, that probably needs to be indented. Indent. Gotta have some proper syntax there. Oh, whoa. Okay, there we go. Term.set cursor pause parentheses 1-1. This is just, excuse me, stuff in my throat. This is just making the GUI purty. Gotta have a purty GUI. I am a little bit of a, well, yeah, I demand having pretty GUIs. Right. Oh, is this right? Right. Nope, parentheses. password, end parentheses. That's just going to print out the word password on the screen. Then we're going to do local input equals read star end parentheses. What that's going to do is that's going to take in whatever value or thing the person inputs into this. Oh, we forgot something very important. Oops. Actually, no, we can do that last. We can write that last line of code. I just have to remember not to forget. So local input equals read. That, like I said, that takes in whatever the user inputs. Then we have if input equals password. Then we're going to do this. Term.clear, that'll clear the screen. Then we'll do term.set cursor pause back to 1-1. That'll put the cursor back in the right place, make it look nice and pretty, because we gotta have our pretty full GUI. So the password is correct. Then we have, let's see, derpy derpy derp. What do we do next? Oh, print password. Print. Oh, that is not a period. That is a print. We need to print access granted. And yeah, that'll just output that. And let's see. Then we do rs dot set output side. Oh, whoa. Set output side false. Actually, I might need to change this to side true and make this thing output red. Here, let me do that first, and we can actually add the first 2 lines of codes that we need. So, oh, I spelled that wrong. rs dot set output side. Oh, side. We need to do this underneath the locals. Okay, so we'll put these right here. rs dot set output side true. Why did I do re? That's supposed to be rs. Can I click on this? No, I cannot. Unfortunate. I guess we'll just have to scroll on over to it. rs dot set output side true, and then we can totally run that other thing. Oh, yeah, that's right. Which is os dot pull event equals os dot pull event. Oh god. Event raw. So with this line of code, okay, so pretty much without this line of code, someone could terminate the program and just open the door. We don't want that to be the case, because if that were the case, then, well, they could just terminate it and get through it without actually entering the password. So I'll explain why I'm actually, doing this right here once it's done, but you'll see why I'm actually implementing a security system. So, let's see, else, make the syntax look all pretty, else we will, well, that needs to be back another block, else we will print incorrect password. That was the incorrect password. Yeah, looks about right. That is the incorrect password. Please try. Please try again. And then end parentheses, and then we're gonna have a little something. Let's see. Let's deviate from the. What is this? SE. Oh, that's the else. Okay, I'm just like, what? Man, why do people always try and catch my attention when I am recording? So we're going to include a little something that isn't in here, a little bit of my own logic. Count equals 0. Let's do, I hope this is how this works, because I'm not actually, like I said, I'm not actually familiar with this language. So count plus 1, actually, can we just do count plus plus? That'd be wonderful. Count plus plus. And then, no, this is not something that we can do. Okay, never mind. This, I was hoping that we could, let's save that. I was hoping that we could include something so if, the person got the password wrong more than 3 times, then they would be punished, but it doesn't seem like I can actually do anything like that the way that I have it set up. Yeah, okay, so print that, then we'll do sleep. We'll have it sleep for 5 seconds. So what that means is if they get the password wrong, then they will not be able to enter in a password for a couple of minutes or a couple of seconds. And finally, oh, I guess we need to have one more end. So that just ends off the if and while, or the else and the while statement. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. I think that might be all. Oh man, this is really bad syntax. I am abhorred to see such terrible syntax. Okay, if, else, that was wrong. Then we can do that, and there we go. Our code is, can we just do that at the end of the line? Nice. Now our code looks a little bit more pretty. So I actually think that we might need to flip the RS outputs to true and false. So let me set this to true. Yeah, let me deviate from the standard code. True. Oh, true. And we can have this set to false. I think that's right. Is that right? Let's see. Side true, so that's set to... Oh, dang it, we had it right. So this is supposed to be true, and that's supposed to be false. Okay. There we go, false. And let's save this. And now we can escape out of that. And how do we actually run this? I'm not too sure how we run this. How do we start it? So right click at control, print, no printer attached. How do we actually run this? I coded it, but I don't know how to run it. Let's see. Password protected door, let's see. First line opens a loop. I just need to figure out how to run it. Well. Oh, did we add that line of code that was important? Yes, we did. Okay. Don't know if that needs to be at the absolute top, but can we just run this, please? Control R? Nope. Exits. Oh, there we go. What do we do? We need to run. What do we execute? Startup. Password. Aha. Oh god. We need to put in the door. Oh god. We need to put the door in backwards so it is. So when it gets a redstone signal, it'll be closed, and then when it doesn't have it, it will be open. Potato. That was the incorrect password. Try again. Okay. Wonderful. Though we put it in backwards. And do this. And do that. Oh god, that is very wrong. Needs to be right there. Nope, that's still not right, so it needs to be right there. There we go. So now if we do potato, attempt to index, startup, what? Potato, no such program. Startup, password. Okay, good, the door is closed right now. That is just what we wanted. Now we have a password protected door. Hway. Incorrect password, door is still closed, and then if we do, oh, needs to cool down. Oh, crap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, new time. Oh, there we go. Potato. Why didn't it open? Now you see, here I thought our code would have worked flawlessly. Unfortunately, I don't think it did. So let's do edit, startup. Let's see. While true do, term clear, yes, password. Well, I don't know. I was hoping that this would just kind of infinitely loop. Else, oh. Let's see. We need to include this end. Maybe if we can, This needs to loop and never terminates, which I think we can do. Is there something that sets true to false? Else end. Local input read star. If input Reset output false, access granted. I don't know why this isn't working. Programming with Silent Mist gone terribly wrong. Let's just, well, what is, while true, while, you know what, we can just have this do some infinite recursion. Let's do this. While 0 is equal to 0, we do this. So that means this will always loop. It should never end. Control and save. Then we can do, nope. Let me, control and then exit to the main console, start up. Start up. Well, we seem to have broken our code terribly. Edit, start up. Look at me, guys. I'm learning Lua with you on the spot. Okay, so I was hoping that I could do while 0 equals 0 to just make this infinitely recur. While true, do, and then we can do, well, actually, no, let's try while 0 equals 0 without the do. 0 equals 0. Or maybe we need to have, probably need to have the dual. There we go. And let's control save, control exits, and start up. Edit, start up. Oh, edit, start up. This is going to be such an easy video to render out because it's just going to be programming with this one screen right here and nothing really changing. For the first time ever, I'll have a video that was actually easy to render out. Let's see. We need to have, this doesn't work. So while true do, well, true do, yeah, the problem is this doesn't actually, it doesn't loop. Like, it'll loop while you're doing it incorrectly, but until you get the, once you get the password, it doesn't actually restart. Strange. Maybe I can just go to top, or let's just do a go to. I wonder if go tos exist. You see, I know C++ and a little bit of Java and Racket, but no, Racket Scheme. Go to Hui, and I also know a decent bit of that thing. Hui. I don't know if that works. Let's exit, start up. Startup equals expected. Well, aren't you just a meanie? While true do, yeah, I guess we can't have a go to. Let me try putting all of this into one larger loop. So while 0 equals 0, then we do that, and then we have one last end, and then everything that's in there should be, end. Control save, control exit, and start up. Yeah, I guess we can't have this infinitely loop. If any of you guys in the comments, or hell, PMs would probably be easier, know any Lua you'd like to teach me how I can have this thing recur infinitely, that would be absolutely wonderful, because I'd like to make it so this thing is constantly running, and yeah, and we could just have it always running. So start up, and then we just place the door right here. There we go. And let's update it. There we go. And now people can't get in. Now, you see, we have Tesla coils on us. We're going to rig the area beyond this point with Tesla coils. And pretty much, so you know, this is Minecraft. If someone really wants to get back there, they can just break down this door. But in doing so, this is still outputting a signal. And until this stops outputting a signal, these Tesla coils that I have are going to be active. And I'm going to hide these throughout the base. And, well, it's going to be pretty cool times, if I do say so myself, because we'll have like a security system that is pretty darn good. So, for now, it has its flaws. It terminates itself once it's done, but look, we can just do potato. And... what's that? What? What? Attempt to index question mark? A nil value? Yes. Okay. Edit startup. Now you might be wondering why I have it set up like this. This is just so a person couldn't place a redstone torch right there to open the door. Although that really wouldn't matter, because yeah, that wouldn't matter at all. Let's just use the normal code, because this thing will still be active. And it'll still kill them if they go beyond this point. So let's just set this back to true. True. That was the incorrect password. Sleep 5. Okay. Control save, control exits, and start up. Let's tear this down because it's currently placed incorrectly. There we go. Potato. Why isn't this updating? Oh, that doesn't, it's not causing a block update? That's not good. Maybe we'll have to do, we can put the terminal right here, and then you can enter in the password, and then both of them will open. But guys, that is something that we're going to figure out maybe in the next part, because for now, that is going to be all. I do hope that you enjoyed this part, guys, and next time we'll do some more crazy stuff. So, until then, if you guys enjoy, like, watching me program, I would not mind learning Lua and then doing, like, Lua tutorials, but, I mean, that's only if you guys want to see it, because I really can't see myself doing too much programming on camera. So yeah, once again, guys, I do hope that you did enjoy this part, and I will see you all next time. Goodbye. You know what? I realize this never shut off. That's a problem. Startup. Potato. Don't know why it's not closing. Potato. Edit startup. Yeah. There are problems. See you all later. Goodbye.